Okay, I'm going to show you how to disassemble and then reassemble your cube. What you'll need is a cube, something to pop out the pieces with, your eyes, and your ears. So listen up. Okay, if your friend or brother or sister mixed up your cube or restickered it wrong or took off one of the pieces somehow and flipped it, I will show you how to get it back. Okay, so you take the whatever thing you have to pop out the pieces, take the first layer and move it halfway like that. Take this part, stick your utensil in there, or in the middle part, and you lift up and pop it out. After you have that, all the corner pieces, everything should easily slip out. So, you can flip the piece that they flipped, and if it's mixed up and you don't know how to solve it, you can just take it apart and put it together. Now, put it back together. You always put the corner pieces in first. Because if you don't, you put the middle piece in first, and you try shoving that corner piece in there, you'll end up breaking your Rubik's Cube. So put your corner pieces in first. And then when you have those two, and then just this space, take your middle piece, make sure it's the right way, and just carefully pop it in there by popping it on the top first and then popping it on the bottom. And then it should work properly unless one of the pieces snapped. And there you go. Now you know how to disassemble it and then reassemble it.